Hey everyone, welcome back to RVM-TECH channel. Today I will be going over how you can factory reset your iPhone. So head to setting and click on this option called Face ID and passcode. Enter your current iPhone passcode. Then scroll down. Make sure to turn off stolen device protection off. So turn this toggle off. Scan your Face ID. Then it should turn off. Then make sure you turn off your Find My iPhone. So how you make sure, click on your iCloud name, then click on this option called Find My, then turn this toggle off, then enter your iCloud iPhone passcode. Once you enter your iPhone passcode, it should turn off. Then head back to your setting, then scroll all the way down, then search here reset iPhones. So click on this option called reset all setting. Then you will see this option erase all content and setting. Tap on it. What it does, it will erase this iPhone, all the apps, iCloud backup, photos, whatever you have, it will wipe out. So hit continue. Then you want to erase iPhone, yes, click on erase iPhone. Then enter your current iPhone passcode. So step one. Then just wait for a few more minutes. It gives you a prompt. iPhone is resetting. So as you can see, the iPhone initiate the reset process. So I will be right back once it's done. So it almost took me 3 minutes. So it also varies on your iPhone model and the data you are resetting. So I'm going to see this option English, then select your country, then set up another device, then connect without. So you have to choose the option. So let me enter my Wi-Fi passcode. Once you enter your Wi-Fi passcode, then your iPhone might take a 1 minute to activate. Took 50 seconds. Then continue. Setting it for adult, setup later. No iPhone passcode. Don't use any passcode. Do not transfer anything. So if you don't have an Apple ID, you can click on this option called forgot passcode, setup later, do not use. Then term and condition, agree. Then only download automatically, not now. Setup later, okay. So setup later, do not share, okay. Setup later in setting, and here you go. So your iPhone is ready and factory reset. There is no iCloud lock, as you can see. There is no Apple ID. So that's how you can factory reset your iPhone in 2026. Please like and subscribe my channel if you find this video useful. Share with your family and friends who are struggling how to reset the iPhone.